Hey guys, this is your short video lesson for Thursday, February the 18th. To get ready for this lesson, I want you to open up the novel, Blood on the River, and open up your Notice and Wonder chart. Today, you will make sure that you add for Thursday, for the Thursday column, you need 2 things you noticed from today's lesson, 2 things you wonder. It could be from the vocabulary or our questions for this lesson, or it could even come from our reading for today. We're going to be reading chapters 4 and 5. Make sure you've submitted your 3, 2, 1 from yesterday. So here are our cues for our questions for today and tomorrow's lesson for M3L2, which means Module 2, Lesson 3. And you can use any of these questions also in your Wonder column. And remember, you need to have 2 for Thursday. You should not have turned your Notice and Wonder chart in because tomorrow you'll be finishing it with Chapter 6 and having 2 new things you notice and wonder from Friday, and you'll be turning that in tomorrow at the end of class. So the essential question for these next 2 days is, how did the social and environmental factors in the unknown world of Jamestown shape its development or decline? The focusing question is, how did the settlers respond to the challenges of their journey to the unknown? And the content framing question, what's happening in chapters 4 through 6 of Blood on the River? Before we get into our read, I want to give you some vocabulary words that you will see that you may not know what they mean. You can add these to your notice column if you want to, if you're needing to have enough to add. Ignorant, when you see that word, that just means not aware or informed. Gullible means you're easily convinced into believing anything. Fuming is displaying frustration or anger. And savages is a noun for people who are uncivilized or wild. So what your assignment is for today, you're going to be reading chapters 4 and 5 and doing the quiz for chapters 4 and 5. There's 1 quiz for the 2 chapters, 10 questions, multiple choice, and that's your assignment to have turned in for today during our class time. So if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to Miss Maddox or to myself. And just again, you should not be turning your Notice and Wonder chart because tomorrow you'll be finishing it up with Friday's lesson. You'll be finishing up the Friday row. You can also pull from the reading of chapters 4 and 5 to add to your Notice and Wonder chart. If you have any questions, again, make sure you reach out to us and make sure you have turned in your quiz over chapters 4 and 5. Hope you guys are staying warm.